Hey guys, today I'm going to grill in my back deck. So this is a delicious food to cook and I just love cooking and grilling this. So I marinated the chicken cubes first with onion paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, garam masala, coriander leaves, coriander powder, jeera powder, yogurt, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and Kashmiri chili powder to give the chicken the color. And I marinated it overnight with a little bit of everything. I'm spraying this with some cooking spray. And I put butter on this. Now I'm going to put these chicken cubes on a skewer on here. Make sure it's not too close to the edge. Oh, this looks yummy already. Need to cook it first. So after putting all the skewers in, I close the top. So now I'm going to cover the top. And from time to time, I'm going to check the chicken cubes if they're cooking on each side. So I think I might have to wait a little bit more on this side. So here, you put your mittens on, then you flip them. But I'm seeing that it's not cooking. So I'm going to put it back and let it sit there. I'll make sure everything is cooked properly. And again, be sure to check it from time to time. We don't want anything burning. That's cooked good. So here is my final product of the chicken tikka, and I checked it intermittently and it's cooked very well. And now I know that I will have a delicious dinner with my family, and that you can have it with anything, with naan or rice or anything, and it's such a delicious thing to have. So, thank you for watching and have a great day.